Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to change the font size in the Microsoft Edge web browser. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on Edge browser, and then dito lang sa top right corner, and then select mo lang dito yung 3-dot icon. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung appearance. Okay? So i-click mo lang ito. And then dito sa appearance ay scroll down lang tayo at hanapin natin yung fonts. Okay, so scroll down and then dito sa dulo mga kaibigan. Okay, so makikita mo dito yung fonts and then kung paano ba natin i-change ang size. So dito sa font size and then dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo na click tong arrow na to. At nandito mga kaibigan yung options na pwede natin select. So, mayroon ditong very small, medium, large, and yung very large. Okay, so let's say, select mo yung very small. Yan, so makita mo dito na nag-change na siya. And then, yung small, ganun din mga kaibigan. And then next, ito yung medium. So, click mo lang yung medium. So, ito yung mga kaibigan, yung most recommended na font size. Okay? And then next, itong large. Ayan, so makita mo dito na nag-change. And then yung very large. Ayan. Okay, so click mo lang yung arrow na yan and then select ka lang dito. But the most recommended font size ay ito yung medium size. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-change ang font size in Microsoft Edge browser. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.